Hi guys, welcome back today. Just quick update on VidFi Army. Ma'am Adora released the Army trading competition, guys. So, this is awesome, and this event is so amazing. Let's go to the VidFi Telegram Army, ano? So, go to this. So this is the army trading competition, guys. So first rule is you need to have a BidFi Army account, complete KYC, user whose cumul- whose cumulative transaction volume of personal perpetual future exceed 1 million can participate in the ranking. So how to check how many volume you generate, ano? So later I will discuss it. And sabi dito, please, number 3, please fill out the application form within 24 hour after the event. Okay. So the first prize is $900. Guys, this $900, I think it's not a perpetual bonus this because it says this event reward can be withdrawn directly. Pwede natin siyang ma-withdraw, guys. If you win this first place, you can withdraw the $900 immediately. Okay? And the second place is $500. And the third place is $300, guys. Ang sabi dito, para makuha natin yung first place, you need to have a transaction volume at least 10 million 10 million volume, ano. So paano nga bang ma-check ang volume natin? So ito na. Ang event runtime is starts from August 21 to September of 3rd. Hindi pa siya, this event isn't not actually started, but as you can see, they already post early. So you guys can prepare for this kind of event. Ang sabi dito, VidFi reserves the right to interpret terms and condition, ano? So guys, this is a huge trading competition on VidFi Army. Okay. So let's head back to VidFi. How to check, guys, your trading volume. So first, this is the homepage of VidFi, and click your profile and then click the volume. So in my case, I have a volume of 90 days volume of 700,779,873.89. So in summarize, I have 779,000 trading volume. Okay, here's the thing. How you can join to this event? You need to fill out this form within 24 hours after the event end. Okay, so let's check the form. So, as you can see, Army Trading Competition. Event time, August 21 to September 3rd. Complete KYC. And para makapag-participate, accumulate at least 1 million volume, ano? And third, fill out the application form within 24 hours. So, kailangan lang natin ditong ilagay yung ating BidFi UID and kung nakompleto na ba natin ang ating KYC. Just put your BidFi UID here, and if you completed your KYC, click yes I have, and if no, click no, and then submit. That's it, guys. So I hope you participate on this incoming event of BidFi Army Trading Competition. So yun lang, guys. Thank you, and God bless to you all and happy trading. I hope you win, guys. This kind of prices. This is huge. That's it. Bye-bye.